Warren Buffett is renowned for his wise, frugal living habits that enabled him to build his fortune from scratch and become one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Welcome to our YouTube channel, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of frugal living. If you're looking to save money, live more simply, and make the most out of every dollar, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we share practical tips, creative hacks, and inspiring stories about how to live a rich life without spending a fortune. Here are 17 of Warren Buffett's smartest frugal living habits. You should start immediately. 1. Avoid brand name items. It's tempting to think that higher-priced brand name items are of superior quality. However, Buffett teaches us that this isn't always the case. His suits, for example, are not from high-end brands, but are durable and serve their purpose well. The key is to focus on quality, not the brand label, ensuring that your purchases are practical and long-lasting. 2. Steer clear of loans. Buffett advises against taking loans unless absolutely necessary. His only loan was for a vacation home, as he believed he could make better use of his money elsewhere. This strategy emphasizes the importance of using your resources wisely and avoiding debt unless it is likely to yield substantial returns. 3. Prioritize relationships over material possessions. During a 2009 conversation with business school students, Buffett shared that real wealth lies in relationships and experiences, not material possessions. He values simple pleasures, like playing golf with friends over owning luxurious items, teaching us that true happiness comes from meaningful connections, not from the things we own. 4. Buy used or cheap cars. Buffett doesn't see the need for the newest or most expensive cars. He buys older or used cars from reputable brands, demonstrating that living within your means is more important than impressing others with luxury vehicles. This approach can save significant amounts of money and reduce financial stress. 5. Don't overspend on home improvements. Despite his wealth, Buffett still lives in the first house he purchased in 1988. He believes a house is simply a place to live, and as long as it meets his needs, there's no reason to upgrade. This teaches us to be content with what we have and avoid unnecessary expenditures on our homes. 6. Avoid investing with borrowed money. While Buffett once borrowed 25% of his net worth for investing, he advises against it due to the high risks involved. With many investment apps available today, it's easier to invest without borrowing money. This habit emphasizes the importance of cautious and responsible investing. 7. Choose a job you enjoy. Buffett believes his success stems from his passion for investing. When you enjoy your work, you are more likely to excel and find satisfaction. If your current job isn't fulfilling, consider starting a side hustle in a field you're passionate about. Doing what you love can lead to both personal and financial success. 8. Avoid unnecessary spending. Buffett is known for his frugality, even converting a dress into a bassinet for his first child and borrowing a crib for his second. He famously said, "If you buy things you don't need, you will soon sell things you do need." This principle encourages us to borrow or repurpose items whenever possible and avoid wasteful spending. 9. Use cash instead of credit. While debit and credit cards are convenient, they can lead to overspending. Buffett prefers using cash as it helps him stay within budget and prevents impulse purchases. This old-school frugal living tip ensures that you only spend money you actually have. 10. Clip coupons. Buffett's frugality extends to using coupons, even when dining out with fellow billionaire Bill Gates. Coupons can provide significant savings, and Buffett's habit shows that they are valuable regardless of your financial situation. 11. Abstain from smoking and drinking. Buffett has never smoked or consumed alcohol, habits that are both expensive and harmful to health. By avoiding these, you save money and reduce future medical expenses, contributing to long-term financial stability. 12. Look for good deals. Whether buying stocks or clothes, Buffett believes in purchasing quality items only when they are on sale. This habit ensures you get the best value for your money and teaches patience and discipline in spending. 13. Stay away from gambling. Buffett even used a slot machine at home to teach his children about the futility of gambling, showing that it's a losing proposition. Instead, he advises putting your money into investments that will yield returns, ensuring financial growth. 14. Don't upgrade, unless necessary. Buffett used a flip phone until 2020, upgrading to an iPhone only when it was absolutely necessary. He believes in making the most of his possessions, avoiding unnecessary upgrades, and ensuring each purchase is essential. 15. Have a simple wedding. When Buffett married his second wife, he chose a simple ceremony at his daughter's house despite his immense wealth. This demonstrates that life's most meaningful moments don't require lavish spending, and simplicity can be just as beautiful. 16. Opt for cheap takeout. Buffett often chooses inexpensive meals, such as a $3.17 meal at McDonald's. This habit emphasizes the importance of being mindful of your spending on food and choosing cost-effective options to save money. By adopting Buffett's frugal habits, you can save more, invest wisely, and ultimately reach your financial goals. His approach teaches the value of money, the importance of living within your means, and the benefits of making thoughtful financial decisions. Focus on value over luxury. Be mindful of your spending and invest wisely. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.